Hi guys, my name is Astha and I make home and lifestyle related videos on this channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're already a subscriber, thank you very much. This is actually part 2 of my Holi series, so if you haven't watched part 1, please go check it out. So as you can tell from the title, today's video is about my Holi shopping haul and DIY decor for Holi. So when this year started 2021, I think सबको लगा था कि things will get better and सब कुछ normal हो जाएगा धीरे धीरे. But unfortunately उतना हुआ नहीं कुछ. Some things are better, but still we can't really go out and enjoy, and especially the kids, I feel really bad for them. For my daughter also, I feel really bad that she can't really go out and play with kids and have fun and just enjoy basically. Yeah, and especially when the festivals come around, I feel like they can't really enjoy as much as we have enjoyed in our childhoods, like going to the markets and shopping and just going out and playing, whether it's Holi, Diwali or any other festivals, meeting friends and relatives, enjoying. So they're really missing that, but anyway, can't really do much about it. But I still wanted to make this Holi really special for her. She turned 2 last month. So abhi wo stage hai, that she's learning new things, like I'm teaching her what Holi is. I think इस साल ना वो खेल सकती है होली, like she can actually play with colors and everything. So I am having a small gathering where just a couple of my relatives are coming. I'm really looking forward to that day. Anyway, long story short, what I'm trying to say is I wanted to make this Holi a little special. Usually मैं होली पे ऐसा कोई डेकोर या कुछ नहीं करती हूँ ज़्यादा, बट दिस टाइम क्योंकि बाहर जाके तो खेल नहीं सकते, घर में ही सेलिब्रेट करना है, तो मैं चाहती थी कि to bring the essence of Holi inside, make things a little colorful and just give the whole experience of Holi to Arya and for ourselves also. I want to enjoy the festivals and just have fun. So ओके, बहुत बात हो गई, आगे बढ़ते हैं. सो वट एवर थोड़ी बहुत चीज़ें मैंने घर के लिए ली हैं, कुछ आर्या के लिए ली हैं. तो मैं दिखा देती हूँ क्या क्या लिया है जल्दी से. So first thing I got are these cushion covers. They're all different colors and they have this pom-pom details on the side. I'll just open one actually. So regular 16 by 16 size. They have these colorful pom-poms on the edges all around. And they are this polyester, but like a raw silk kind of a feel. They're really affordable. I got them off Amazon. I'll share the link in the description box. I think these are in 5 colors, all 5 different colors. I'll just show you. This is a yellow, this is green, pink, blue, and this red, of course. So 5 colors. I think just by this, I think the room will look very festive because they're they have a little sheen and they're such bright, nice, festive colors. होली के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, I think. So this. The next thing that I got are these. Again, I got these from Amazon. These are artificial leaves. I got 3 of them. They are quite long. They don't look very real, although but they are not so bad. I'm going to use them in one of the DIY decors that I'm doing today. So we are using these. I got this big pack of colorful pom-pom balls. I think these are really good. I love the colors that they come in. It's a assorted pack, so a lot of colors, and all the colors are bright and nice. They're actually not wool pom-poms. They're those fiber ones, if you can see. And they're actually nice because they're holding the shape better and they're quite bright in colors, which I like. I'm gonna be using them in again decor and DIYs that I'm doing today. Also, I think they will really help make the room look colorful. So that Next thing that I got are these bunnies. I got 3 of them in 3 different sizes. So this is the biggest one, this is the next size, and this is the smallest size. So मैं ये डेकोर के लिए ही लाई हूँ. So I thought अभी होली में मैं डेकोर के लिए यूज़ कर सकती हूँ, then I can use them elsewhere. I really wanted to buy them from a long time. ये मैं लेके आई हूँ स्ट्रीट शॉप से. बेसिकली गुड़गांव में यहाँ पे बहुत सारे बंजारा शॉप्स रहते हैं स्ट्रीट पे. नॉट द एक्चुअल बंजारा मार्केट, वो भी है, बट उसके अलावा भी बहुत जगह पर ऐसे स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स होते हैं जो ये सारे सिरामिक्स लेके बैठे रहते हैं. काफ़ी अच्छे कलेक्शंस होते हैं बाय द वे उनके पास. तो वहाँ से लेके आई. ये तीनों मैं लेके आई हूँ 400 रुपीज़ में. शायद थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव ले आई हूँ. आई थिंक थोड़ा बार्गेन करती तो और कम में मिल जाता, बट इट्स ओके. वैसे ये अमेज़ॉन पे भी अवेलेबल हैं. आई डोंट नो इफ़ द सेम साइजेस और नॉट, बट अमेज़ॉन पे भी मैंने देखा था. आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू यूज़ देम. देन आई got this set of hand towels, white hand towels from Amazon. This is from the Amazon owned Solimo brand. These are quite affordable, and I think we get about 1 2 3 set of 4. It's quite a good size and good quality actually. For the price I wasn't expecting these. If you can see, this is the size, pretty big for a hand towel. So I got these especially for Holi. I'll tell you why. Because Holi है तो everybody who's coming, किसी को हाथ पोंछना है या कलर हटाना है, पोंछना है, तो उसके काम आएगा. एंड वाइट इसलिए बिकॉज आई थिंक वाइट इज़ द ईजिएस्ट टू क्लीन. बस ब्लीच करके ऑल द स्टेन्स विल कम आउट एंड इट विल बी गुड एज न्यू. तो इसलिए आई गॉट वाइट and it will look nice once I nicely roll them and display. Fancy. Anyway, moving on. I got these little matkis. They have gulal inside them. So I have 4 of these. They all have different colors inside them. This I actually got from Milk Basket. They have holy colors on their app, and I just ordered from there. And so this of course गुलाल तो यूज़ कर ही सकते हैं, but I think ये डेकोर के लिए भी बहुत सुंदर लगेगा. So that, and I got some more colors. होली है तो कलर्स तो लेना ही था. So I'm sure you guys must have seen these colors around. I got 3 of these colors. They are from Mr. Aroma Natural Herbal Gulal. I got this red, pink, blue. Yeah, I really like the packaging of these for Gulal. I also have a random red color for some reason. Anyway, another interesting thing that I found was this. This I got from a shop. It's basically a kids shop near my house. It's called Giggle Glories. These are edible colors, holy colors, yes. So basically these are made with edible glucose. So for kids it's safe to play. Even if it goes in their mouth and all, they can have it. It comes in 4 different colors: lemon, mango, orange, pomegranate. I think it's actually in 4 different flavors also, and it says right here non-toxic, 100% safe, eco-friendly. So I thought this would be really interesting, and I can give it to Arya to play with without worrying too much. So this very interesting thing. Also this time, I don't know if you guys have seen, there are a lot of interesting things I saw in the market. At least I saw for the first time. I don't know if it's been there for a while. There are a lot of these spray cans of holy colors of gulal actually, which I thought is an interesting concept. If you are having an outdoor party or you're playing outside, it's really good. I think it will look good in pictures also. I didn't get those because अभी घर के अंदर तो क्या ही करूँगी मैं उसका. But I think you can definitely check out if you want to. They're like spray cans, and with nozzles. They just spray gulal. Interesting. Another thing I got are these magic color fountains. Again, these are nothing but they look like patakas, but you just light it up and like a colored smoke comes out of it. So I just wanted to try it. I think no reason to get it actually. Just wanted to try it. Small ones. Again, I got these on Milk Basket, but I'm sure you can get it anywhere. Alright, so next thing I got today was for Arya. I think this is really cute. I got this big pichkari for Arya. This is the Peppa Pig pichkari. So basically it's like a bag. You can fill water in this, and and then this gun which attaches to the bottle and the water comes out. So I don't know how much she can play with this in the house, but I'll give it to her maybe in the balcony for a while. She can play. She will love it. I haven't shown it to her yet. I'm sure she'll love it. Next thing that I got are these dolphin pichkaris. So I got two of them, one for Arya, one for her cousin who's coming to play Holi with her. She's super excited about it. So what I want to do is basically I want to put those water pools, indoor water pools, in my living room right here on Holi, so they can have some water play. So I'm going to give these small pichkaris to them and they can just play together. I know बहुत mess होने वाला है, but Holi है, it's okay. So what I'm planning to do is basically I got these bags from a local store here. Really cute bags. I love the sides, by the way. They have little name tags also, very cute. I think so I'm gonna make two bags for them, one for each. I'm gonna put this little pichkari. Then I got these I don't know what these called, these squishy ball thing. I think they have light also. So I'm put one of this in the bag. Then I got these hair ties, really bright and colorful. Really like them. So I got two of these, one for each again. So that goes in the bag. I also got these colorful candies. Very Holi-like, colorful, bright. Candies are colorful anyway. So I got these. I'll put them also in the bag. And then these colors that I got, the edible ones, I'm gonna put like, it has 4, so I'm gonna put like 2 in each of the bags, and maybe some more candy. I don't know, I'll see. So just a little bag for them to get and have fun. Kids like gifts and surprises, so just a little something for them. Then when I was shopping, I also found this cute mask for Arya. She's very young, but she does wear masks, by the way. So it has 3 masks. One is like this Frozen. This one has some princesses. Again, this one has princesses. So she's really she's recently into all this princess stuff, and blue and pink are her favorite colors. So yeah, masks. I like that they have these elastics. बच्चों के लिए बहुत ठीक होता है, because नहीं तो मास्क गिरता रहता है, they get irritated, फिर वो निकाल देते हैं. So इससे it helps. So mask. And last but not the least, Arya के कपड़े for Holi. So I wanted to get something white for her to wear for Holi during the day. So I went to Reliance Trends the other day to get some clothes for Arya, and I found this really cute white top. I like that it has this frilly sleeves and this shifly detail and frill in the front. It's better than like a basic white top, so I just thought she can wear it for Holi. And with that, I found these really cute shorts for her. So cute. It has like a tie up in the front. I actually got a lot of other stuff from Reliance Trends for her the other day. Really cute tops and stuff for summer because she didn't really have much for summer. So really, I think good place to shop if you're looking for like daily casual wear stuff. Very affordable and well priced, I would say. She's gonna look super cute in these. The next thing that I got for Arya are these cute little pink shoes. They're not Crocs but similar style. Very comfortable for summer. They have these perforations or holes. Summers के लिए एकदम perfect हैं. She actually loved them so much कि वो शॉप से यही पहनकर आई है घर. मतलब she didn't wanted to wear the shoes that she was wearing already. So she loves them. So these were all the things that I got for Holi. There are a couple of things that I've ordered which are still not delivered, but you can see them in my next video, which is going to be the Holi decor video. Really excited about that. तो अब चलते हैं to the best part of this video, जो कि है DIY decor for Holi. So जो भी चीज़ें मैंने decor के लिए कुछ खरीदी हैं, like the leaves and pom poms and कुछ चीज़ें मेरे पास already रखी हुई हैं, उनको मिला के DIY decor करने वाली हूँ. होपफुली अच्छा बन जाएगा कुछ. सो बेसिक आइडिया ऑफ द डेकोर फॉर होली इज कि बहुत सारा कलर होना चाहिए जगह जगह पर. लॉट ऑफ पॉप्स ऑफ कलर्स एवरीवेयर इज व्हाट आई वांट टू पुट. तो जल्दी से बनाते हैं एंड लेट्स सी कैसा बनता है. होपफुली अच्छा बनेगा. लेट्स गेट ऑन विद इट. सो फॉर द फर्स्ट DIY डेकोर आई एम मेकिंग अ वॉल हैंगिंग. आई एम यूजिंग दीज एम्ब्रॉयडरी hoops. I got these off Amazon some time back. These are I think 10 or 11 inch diameter. So I'm going to be using 3 of these rings and I'm going to wrap these leaves around the rings, and then I have these paper flowers from another project left. These are small paper flowers, multicolor. So I'm going to tie them also along with the leaves, so it will become like a sort of like a garland ring or something. We'll see how it turns out. So I'm going to be making total 3 of these for the wall hanging.
I'm going to start by taping one end of the vine onto the ring. Then I'm going to start entwining it halfway through the ring. And then I'm just going back and forth doing the same till it looks nice and dense. I'm securing the vine in place using cellophane tape and adjusting the leaves and securing them using a hot glue gun. After that, I'm going to attach the paper flowers on it. I'm using the wire that comes attached to the flowers by wrapping and twisting it around the ring to secure them. I'm just putting the flowers randomly and not in any particular pattern. Do some final adjustments as per your liking, and that's it. Our DIY number 1 is ready.
So for the next DIY, I want to make a basket where I can keep those hand towels that I showed you. So I want to roll these towels and put them in a basket so that anybody who wants to use it can use it on the day of Holi. So for that I had this basket. These are like those those fruit baskets. I have them for some time. I had done some painting also earlier on these, but I'm not using them right now. So I thought I'll just use this, and I'm going to be using these pom-poms. So let's make this.
For this DIY, I'm using hot glue gun to attach different color pom-poms onto the circumference of the basket. I'm leaving about 1.5 inch gap in between the pom-poms, and that's it for this DIY.
So for the next DIY, I'm using this. This is the MDF frame from one of the flower bouquets that I got a while back. It's really nice shape, and it has a handle and everything, so I never threw it. I keep using it for something or the other. So what I plan to use this for is I'm going to decorate it a little bit, maybe using these colorful threads. These are those embroidery threads, and I actually want to serve thandai in this inside these bottles. So I have these bottles that fit perfectly inside. I have like 3 of these, and I think it's going to look very, very cute.
I'm making a few tassels to decorate this prop. I'm going to be using these embroidery threads for the same. To make the tassels look nicer, I am going to use a toothbrush to brush out the yarns to separate them so that they look fuller and nicer. I'm attaching the tassels to the frame using hot glue gun. I also went ahead and put some green color pom-poms in between the tassels.
So this next DIY, I'm using these net curtains. These are from IKEA. It's called a little sheer curtain. It's available on Amazon. You can check it out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this curtain and I'm going to attach these colorful pom-poms like randomly all over it. I'm going to switch my regular living room curtains to these on the day of Holi. So there'll be plenty of light inside because they are like net sheer curtains, and we have like whole glass wall on one side. So it's going to be nice and bright, and the pom-poms will add like pops of colors throughout.
To make these curtains look more colorful, I am attaching these different color pom-poms onto it. I'm using hot glue gun for that. You can see the completed look of this curtain in my next video on Holi decoration.
So our next DIY is fairly very simple. I'm going to use these colorful paper sheets. These are A4 papers in different colors. And वो जो बचपन में फैन फोल्ड करके फिरकी टाइप बनाते थे ना, वैसे कुछ बनाना है. तो ऐसे सर्कुलर फॉर्म में बनेगा फैन जैसा. एंड को मैं बैम्बू स्क्यूअर्स के ऊपर लगा दूंगी. सो दिल बी लाइक you can just stick them anywhere. I plan to use these probably on my dining table decor for like these pops of colors, or maybe somewhere else. I'm not really sure right now. We'll see.
Here I've taken a colorful A4 sheet and I'm using my scoreboard to create half-inch marks on the paper. Once done, I'm going to start folding the paper using those marks, and I'm going to do that in a zigzag form to create the fan fold. Now I'm folding it into half, and I'm going to use Fevicol to attach the two ends so that it looks like a semicircle. I'm going to make one more just like this, and then attach the two to make a circular fan just like we wanted. Then I'm going to go ahead and attach the bamboo square on the back side of it using cellophane tape. That's it. I'm going to make a few more of the similar kind, and we are done with this DIY.
So these were all the DIYs that I did for the Holi decor. You can see how I use these in my upcoming video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please like, share and comment. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I post my next video. I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.